Hi everybody, it's Murray from Bees Plus in Kamloops. Today I'm just at my bee yard here. It's January 7th, 2 degrees, a little bit of wind. And today I'm just going to be cleaning out my bottom board. So I have this handy little tool here. This side is a scraper, so if there's bees that are kind of crusty in there, you can put it on the bottom board and scrape them. And then with this side hook, you just go in and hook and drag the bees out. It's important this time of year that your bees do have an airflow. So often there'll be lots of dead bees on your bottom board, so you want to get them cleaned out, because just like us, the bees need to breathe. So the odd time bees do come out, and I don't know about anybody else, but I don't like getting stung in the face. So I will put my jacket on and I'll just show you what I'm going to do. I have my cordless drill. I'm going to take my introducer off, and then I'm just going to scrape out the bees, put it back on, and try not to disturb them. Sometimes all the bees are at the bottom, and so if they are and you stick your tool in there, this probably best just to leave them and just let them do their own thing. But if they're up top and dead bees are down at the bottom, it's a good time of year to get ahead of this cold snap, because if there are dead bees and there's moisture, it'll be a big block of ice in the bottom of your hive, and you don't really need that. So I'm just going to zip up here and see what I can do. Yes, I will put my gloves on too. Not only for bee stings, but that wind does have a bit of a bite today. So the introducer will come off first. And yeah, there is signs of a bit of mold and stuff on the bottom, so there's probably dead bees in here. So this tool is long enough to go right to the back. Yeah, there is a couple bees out flying around. As you can see, there's quite a few dead ones, so I'm just going to put that introducer back on there. And that's how easy and fast it is to do. So now you know that beehive is going to have lots of airflow. Bees can come and go, and be able to control the CO2 levels. Thanks for watching, and best luck in beekeeping. And yes, I do have these available at Bees Plus. They're $9.95. Thank you.